Hey, it's Jimmy, and right now I want to show you another top feature that you should be trying out today in Pictory. Let's take a look at text animations. Text animations are a great way of adding some class and just really leveling up the production value of your videos, and all you have to do is apply some animation presets that we've already created for you. Here's how you do that. So I'm just going to select this title that's part of one of my scenes, and up in the ribbon here, there's an option for animations. You have entry and exit animations. If you want to see what these look like, you can just hover on the tile and you'll get a little preview. So you can audition through each one of these before you apply them to see what they're going to look like. When you select one, you've got even more options that you can apply. You can do letter, word, or line-based animations. So if you want every letter to slide in from the left, you can see each letter one at a time. You can change the direction, so you want them all to come up. You can customize it that way. Or if you want the entire element to move all as one, you can choose box, which means the entire box is going to, how about slide down? That's really cool. I'm gonna go to this other scene and let's try to apply some more. So this one, I really like the text reveal effect here. So you can see that just slides up. Let's do a typewriter effect. So now every single letter is coming on one at a time here. Text animations are a really easy way of applying animations to your videos. It makes it go from here to here just like that.